Oh, you just lost it.
Look, this one's in its
Huh.
mouth.
Well, I just got down to the creek. The boys already have caught a fish, one apiece. And Elijah caught one. I was trying to get over to him. He had one, it had a little fish and it's a minnow in its mouth. And so they're hungry right now. We're in a brand new spot, a familiar creek, but a brand new spot. I'm hoping, I didn't see any signs posted. So as far as I know, we're good to fish here. Ellie is getting her hair cut. Today's challenge is how many fish can we catch while Ellie is getting her hair cut? Our daughter Ellie. We've already got 2, and I'm just now stepping in. So how many fish can we catch while Ellie is getting her hair cut? Not cut, she'll correct me on that. Getting her hair colored. Here we go. Hey, someone's gonna pull one out of that spot for sure. Beautiful rapids. Jeremiah, we didn't catch any right there. I thought we would. All right. Jeremiah's got one. You got one, Elijah? What? You got a good one? He's got. They're catching at the same time. So that's 4 while she's getting her hair cut. Oh my, that's a good one. Looky there.
Wow, he fought hard.
Pick it up, pick it up.
I got a better one, Dad.
It's a good one.
This is really nice.
Bring it over here, Jeremiah.
Really nice one.
What's with us catching fish at the same time? Every week.
I knew he wasn't a small one, but he fought hard.
Look at that.
It's not bad.
Let me get a picture of him.
Decently long. Put your tail out there.
He's curling his tail in. Don't want to give you credit. We'll get one of you and Jeremiah with your fish.
He fought hard. I'm that little guy.
Nice.
Look at one. I got a tiny one.
It's all right. It's good fish. Look, boys. Turn yours on.
I caught him right in here by this tree.
Oh my. There we go. I knew it had to be rewarded. Yeah. Little guy, but feels good after casting underneath that log. I'm on the board. 5 fish while she's getting her hair cut. Her hair colored. She's gonna get on to me about that. Oh, that was a good one. He's a fighter. Oh! Yeah, I did. He gave it a good spit. Jeremiah pull a little smallmouth out while Elijah and I are getting untangled. Number 7. You're calling the camera. Good cast.
Perfect cast.
Good cast always gets rewarded, right?
Yeah.
Don't let me down. Don't let the camera down. Although I'm going to post it if you fail here because you've been having so much success. Could Elijah, the hot hand, be wrong?
No.
He's got a blue, sparkle, purple crawdad. And he is going to be wrong. But what if I was to throw? This would make good coverage. If I was to throw, oh, my thing messed up, and catch one right where you were, where the hot hand Elijah was. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. We both stink. We both stink. He said he had the perfect cast. Oh, I got one right there. Yeah, no drag being pulled, but no. Still, love that feeling when they hit that as soon as it hits.
I don't know if that's the only fish that's flying here.
That's number, is that 7 or 8? 8 while she's getting her hair done. You just get, oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's all right, get him in. Don't let him spit it out, he's gonna come up. Got one, Lige, a good one. Nice.
It's skinny.
Just put that on too.
Yeah, first cast.
Oh, he's gone. That was a good one though. Same spot you caught 1 minute ago. Can we catch 3 in this spot?
There's right here.
On our way back now. I don't think we've cast. This may turn out to be bad. Let's see. Oh, hit it right off the bat. All right, I gotta get over here. Oh, he spit it out. All right. I was trying not to get snagged again. I got thinking after I cast it, I was like, I gotta get up here if they do hit, and they did. I saw him. Yeah, bigger. It's not huge, but it's bigger. I saw him come up. Yep. That is not 9.
No, because I caught one earlier on 8, so mine was 9.
That's, Elijah sounds like he's got one way over there. You do?
Yep.
Okay, 11. Caught 3 there, didn't we? All right, let's move. I don't know. We need to move though. All right. Okay, Elijah, we gotta hurry and make some ground. No cast zone right now.
The fellow walkers are watching this. I love your videos.
And we do. And they have a topwater challenge going on as this one is aired.
Okay.
Or I don't know if he does, but he's in one. But I'm gonna be in Florida. Couldn't be in it, but we do appreciate his videos and his advice as we get started in this fun little journey.
Look at it. That one.
Oh, nice.
He swallowed the worm. Super bright.
I wouldn't get in the way of the camera, but there he is.
My bad.
Closer you get to those trees, the better, because the sun's out. But if we could skip it, which I don't want you to try because we're in a hurry to get back.
I just got in it.
You got in the tree? That's what I was going to say. If you could skip it in there, but you got it in. Are you stuck?
No.
There's got to be one in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's not a monster, but I knew there had to be one in there.
Oh, good job.
All right, guys, come on. Uh-oh, he's got a good one, he said. Oh, it does have a good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, let's go back. I'm coming. We're gonna rush back, but stop for this. We've had a couple that size, I think, today. That's a good size, though, for creek.
Look, I literally just put it right in there. I was like, oh, I'm snagged. This guy.
He's bleeding a little bit, isn't he?
Yeah, look. Do not. I cast right in there. I was like,
There you go.
oh man, I'm snagged. And this guy
Get a picture?
felt like good. He's good for this little hole right here. He's not as big as I thought, honestly. But he's still, man, that's a blowout.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's a big hit. Big one. Yep. Oh, he just spit it out. Yep. It was, yeah. Oh, I knew it in this, under this bridge. It's cool. He ain't gonna do it again. That was on me. I was trying to keep my hands all the way on the camera. Get all self-conscious about my hands that I keep seeing in the video, and I missed that guy. He was pulling drag too. Let's see if his grandpa's in here. Oh, nice.
Wow, Dad, I got a big hit and then your brother comes over and takes it.
Yeah, work on that a second. I'm gonna put one right in between here. This is our form of rushing back. It's not good. It's echoing. What you got there? Nice.
This is a thick boy. Well, he feels heavy actually.
Yeah.
He's actually really heavy. Hold him.
Yeah, go ahead. You just release him. Don't get it all muddy. Just right here. Oh, in the sun? Yeah. There he goes. Oh, right by me. There he goes. All right, guys, let's keep going.
Got one.
Let me bring it across this deep area. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
That was a good one.
Yeah, he hit it good, didn't he? Yeah. He hit it hard. He wasn't huge, but he hit it hard. All right, let's keep moving, boys. We need to get back. We need to go get Ellie.
That's what I did.
I don't think we stayed in the middle the whole time.
Yeah, I did. You guys didn't. I did.
I don't think you did, Lige. Let's start going this direction.
Yeah, we went that way. Yeah, it was a little bit more this way.
It's time to go get Ellie. How many fish we caught?
15.
15 while she gets her hair done. Let's go get her. Hey, Ellie. Love the hair.
Yeah.
Why are you all wet?
What are you talking about? What's in your pocket?
Bait?
What is it? What? That's not bait. You got me though.
It's bait for me.
Me too. Let's go.